Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trade session. My name is Mo G. I am here with TWA indicators. Right now, let's go to a little pre-market analysis. As you can see on this chart here, the indicator you're looking at right now with these boxes is called the market structure indicator. And you can see right now we have some resistance boxes in red right above where price is, and you can see the support is down by, let's say the 20, I would say 21 400s. All right, so just keep that in mind. The green line you see here is just one of my significant levels. I have it at around 750. You can see it broke below. So what am I looking for? If we cannot break back above this, then I'll be looking to take some shorts down to about this area here, to the four. I would say 5, between the 6 and 400 area. And if we look at the trigger chart, let's look at the TWA dashboard. This can give you an idea of what price is doing right now. You can see on the higher time frame, it is short. Order is for short. Everything is overall trend is always short, but we look at the first two, and then next is session control. Right now, bearish, and price action is in a reversal, heading down. If we look at the candles here, you can see the algo candles are red. You have a red money zone on top. Right now we're having trouble breaking out of it, so we can expect price to chop around here till about the open. So that's your pre-market analysis using TWA indicators. Now, hey Cloud, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am good. If Shopify can open up above 121, above 122, I would be super, super happy.
Awesome,
I am in an
awesome.
option call for them. They had earnings, so I just took a lot of one. We do have Powell speaking today at 10 o'clock. He's speaking again tomorrow. We do have CPI tomorrow as well, too. Hey, man, be safe. Be safe out there today. I heard you were looking short. Yeah, I mean, I won't say looking short, but
It's
it will be.
the charts are pointing to the shorts right now, but again, we gotta see what open says, because New York
Yeah,
open can totally blow that out of the water. So
man, that open could be brutal.
let's see, we got 5 minutes till open.
Kind of like the longs going into open. It could be a little tease though, because everything is still kind of bearish right now. The overall trend is bearish.
Oh, okay. Hold on a second. Let's go here.
I think I want to test the pre-market long here. Very light position size. Might regret it, but
Hello, DC. DC's on the call today. Hello, DC.
Hey guys, can I join you?
Oh, yes.
only if we're on the same side today. If we're not, then please leave.
Okay, let's start with this. Which side are you on?
I'm in a quick little long right here. I'm testing something out.
I kinda see what you're playing with. Yes.
I might take a quick exit though. Don't want to give up too much profit before open.
Okay, we got about 45 seconds till open.
I'm not ready. Wait.
And we are open. Let's see. Come on, Bulls.
I'm taking my first trim here. Another moving stops up. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Nice open. Nice open.
Let's see. Do I want to take
Right here at the
3?
4 hour. that's 30 points going into the open. Pre-market trade I took is up 30 points. I'm in 6 micros here. Oh, let me see what my Spotify is doing. Oh my God, my Spotify options are down. Well, luckily I got payout request on Top Step yesterday, but golly. If we can get above VWAP, I will add to this position. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. We do have a bearish 1 minute money zone right here above the 4 hour. And we do have a nice level at 748 right below VWAP. So I am going to move my stops up a little bit more on some of these runners.
I'm locking in about 30 points on this trade.
Let's
From open.
go. Come on, DC, join us, man. See, DC is never on our side. He's a contrarian in the group. Right here, VWAP,
Yeah.
you guys. Right here, VWAP. I took another trim here. Right here, VWAP. He's always against me and Mo, man, for some reason. I have no idea why. I thought we were friends. We are inside a 1 minute bearish money zone right here. Also at another intraday level as well too from last night. If we can get above VWAP, I love it. Like I said, I love it. But we need to close above this area though. We do have green backgrounds printing. Oh my God, off to the races. Let's go. I love when my first trade of the day is printing 50 points right here.
Yep, I'm at just touching 60 right now.
Are you not entertained? Again, everybody who does not have the indicators, I literally used the indicators for the pre-market move and I got 50 points. Come on. The price of 150 a month for the indicators, I literally just made it already.
Let's see here.
Mm. 771 is the weekly level. I will be moving my stops up if we can get above there.
We're above. All right, I'm moving my stop to 745.
Man, if I hit 100 points at open on this first trade, I'm leaving.
Trades up 70, 80 points so far. Let's see what this wants to do today.
Yeah, how do I comment on this YouTube again? Oh, Shopify is back. Shopify is back up.
So I've locked in 45 points. Let's see if what the rest of this move wants to be. All right, I need to turn this off. Turn this off for a second. This.
All right. I'm in runners here. 3 micros on the table left. I'm in runners. I don't care what happens to this trade anymore. I'm looking for my next trade. Nasdaq is off to the races, baby. Come on. Closing almost at 100 points. Almost. Come on, give me 100 points, please, Nasdaq.
I'm gonna lock in 50 points. Okay, 50 points locked in.
This is a nasty 5-minute candle, bro. That was a nasty 5-minute candle.
And if you guys see, I'll go back here. You can see look at how nice DC setup. Totally just showed you what was
100 points. Okay, 100 points. I'm in 2 micros here.
You know, maybe I should. I'm gonna take stuff out at 100 points. Leave 1 micro running.
We have been on fire in the open lately, man. We have been on fire. Golly, this just feels so good. I'm gonna lock in $300 on this trade. I mean, not $300, $200 on this trade. I'm only in 2 micros here. We have sellers pushing here. Potentially. Just be on the safe side. We are at the London high right here as well too. We do have Powell speaking at 10 o'clock. That's kind of why I wanted to force a trade at open, because I wanted to be kind of either risk free or completely out the market when Powell speaks. I want to be able to lock some of these accounts out.
Secure some more.
Yeah.
This is gonna be coming back down. All right. It can take me out here for 6.
And one of the guys that's in the that has indicators just text me, said done for the day, profit goal hit.
Nice.
Hey, it's 10 minutes. The market has only been open for 10 minutes. You can go enjoy your day now. Like, let's say you had a corporate job. You can be done trading, make your side money, finish your work. The money you made, from the trade that took 10 minutes can pay a light bill, power bill, water bill, car note, insurance. This is the boring side of trading right here. This is the boring side of trading.
I'm locking in 70 points. If it takes me out, that's fine.
Yo, tell me a Discord or a live that casually throws out 100 points left and right every day. Hey, if you don't believe me, you can go back and look at the videos. I think our smallest winning trade has been 50 points.
Okay, so now I can. Sure. Okay, so all right, so let me get to some questions now. Now that I have these set up, let's see the green line. The green line. So the green line underneath price. I think that's. Is that this one? Yeah. So that green line that's underneath price is called the. It's a trail stop. It's with the Algo V2 indicator. So let me just put that question on. So this green line here it's Algo V2, either the regular one or the premium. For this particular one doesn't matter. And if you go down, you see where it says show trail stop. If you click it off, it's going to turn off. And then that green line is gone once it loads. Okay, you see how it turns off? That's that one. Now this one here, this other line that you see like inside price, that's an evidence line for this specific chart time. So this is a 30-second chart, so this is a 30-second evidence line here. And if you put both of them together, you can have a very, very nice way to see the chart. Hey South, good morning. Let's see if the market will agree with me and give me that 100-point.
Hey Mo, we have a question about your chart.
I just answered it. The one about the green line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me lower that down. I just answered it. So yeah, so the green line again. So there's two green lines. This one inside price is called the evidence line. The one underneath is the trail stop. Both are found in the Algo V2 indicator, either Algo V2 regular or Algo V2 premium. The difference between the two is on the premium, you can do multiple time frames on one chart, where just the Algo V2, it's whatever time frame you happen to be on. Wow, we got a buy sign all the way up here. Nice. Let's go. Come on. Give me that kick. I need that, just a little kick. let's see. Why is that different?
Hey, is anybody looking at any new trades or any levels or any scenarios in the market that they would like to see play out?
There we go. Okay. That's pretty nice. Come on.
Nvidia is bullish. Apple looking pretty bullish right now as well too.
The only thing I don't like is we're really hitting some traffic here. So I'm keeping in the back of my mind that, we
Well, you
could.
know why we're getting traffic here, right?
Oh yeah, I know. I'm just,
Yeah, okay.
saying without saying. Uh, the longer we hit traffic here, the more likely I think we could push back down.
Hey Mo, how do you use your indicators to decide to enter the trades?
So if I'm looking at this here, what am I looking to decide to enter the trade? All right, well, first thing I'm looking for is context, meaning where is price expensive or is it cheap? In this area, it's considered cheap. If you're using this type of setup, the next thing is look at the algo. This is an algo candle here. This gives you an idea of direction. So when you see the algo candles and the money zone the same color, you don't enter just yet, right? Even though it's cheap, you just don't enter just yet. And then you got to look down here. Okay, these are your timing mechanisms right down here. This is the surge, which tells you volume. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera because it's kind of small. Let's see if I could expand it for you. But you see how we had this little blip of bearish volume here? That was a sign like, okay, they were not strong. Then you see this top line is called the TM strength line. That's green, that's green. Then you have some bullish volume come in. And if you look down at the pullback, you could see the pullback was at the bottom. And then the plot line, which that thick green line changed. And once those changed, you had this. You could have entered here and taken off here. Or you could have waited a little bit until you have this flip of the money zone and then entered there. So there was a bunch of entries. The best entry timing wise was here. If you wanted more confirmation, you could have waited till it flipped right to here. Yeah, okay, so let me secure another 5 points. Yeah, I'm securing 80 points. I don't like how price is acting here, and I am. All right, I'm out at 80 points. So 80 points, 5 micros. You could do the math.
Very nice, Mo. Very nice. Very nice.
Now, why? If you're wondering, well, Mo, why are you moving your stop up and everything? If you can see right here, you see how that red what's that called? The money zone started popping up again, and you see how we were trying to get out, but we couldn't. I kind of don't like how that was playing, so I just secured as much profit as I wanted to, and if it took me out, it took me out. If it keeps going from here, I'll just wait until 10 o'clock for a new 4-hour forecaster, which are these boxes, to see, what's another good spot to get into a trade. Oh, there you go. It just popped. It's all right. I'm happy.
We're at 800. I'm moving my stop up a little bit more.
Do I short the cheap area? That's a loaded question. So I personally, you have to see what price is doing. Like right now, right? Just because it's in the sorry, let me say that again. So you won't short the cheap area. No. So if I'm seeing it's down here, like let's just look back at what happened, right? If you try to enter the shorts inside this box, the probability is that it's gonna kick up first before it makes another leg down. The best place to short is at the expensive gray boxes or anywhere between there and the 4-hour close, because you could see it tried a couple times. You had a fake out until eventually it broke down, and then it just started. Then I guess it's called reversal, right? Yeah, reversal happened. So I don't like shorting these boxes because the probability is for it to really carry, there has to be something weird has to happen that day. Either a lot more participation in the market than usual, or maybe we got some news that was not so market friendly. But I tend not to. I keep it simple. If it's cheap, and if the trend is, if there's no trend or we're ranging or something, I look for a buy. If it's expensive, depending on what everything else is telling me, I'll look for a short. See, here comes the price coming down right now. There you go. Okay. Very nice. All right, we got 2.5 minutes till a new 4 hour.
We have Jerome Powell. We have Papa Powell talking. I'm not looking forward to this at all. No, like I wouldn't short at the cheap 4 hour. Mo, did you answer that question already?
Yeah, but you can answer too. It doesn't hurt.
Sorry. Like I'm gonna be looking for another trade. So like, have you guys turned down so I can focus on looking for another trade right now on options. But no, when it comes to the cheap 4 hour, I definitely won't short. I actually will be looking for longs during, like in that area. And since I'm looking for longs in that area, and I may not get it, and there's a continuation down, I may just sit on my hands.
I think DC is gonna be looking for a short soon.
If he does, tell him.
That's
kick him
that's
out the
my
circle.
opinion.
If he does, kick him out the live. But no, with Powell talking,
Yeah, you got 10 seconds till.
and where we're at, Jamal's point he made plenty of times, like where we stopped, we had a nice move off open, and we just pretty much stopped, and we've been in this little tight little 20 or 30 point range for a while, and we're getting a lot of activities. It's the new 4 hour here too. Holy smokes! Caught that.
Speed.
Flat. All right, nice. Ooh. Nice scalp. I'm locking myself out of this account now. Especially when Powell's talking. This could definitely run more, but I'm gonna lock myself out. You know what? If this gets a little spike up to like to like 46 ish or even the 30s, depending on how
Mhm.
violent the move is. But if we get a spike to the 30s or to 46 ish, I might try a short. I might try a short on my Apex account. I wanted to scalp it, and this was the short I wanted, but I wanted us to spike up first. Powell says inflation is closer to target. No hurry to adjust policy stance. The 30-year bond is taking a little dip here. I think today we have a bond auction, which I definitely will be trading that bond auction. Let me see. Today is Tuesday. No bond auction today. Bond auction is tomorrow. We have the 10-year tomorrow and the 30-year on Thursday. Long-term inflation expectation appears well anchored. Powell tells the Fed that he's in no hurry to lower interest rates, which I actually like. I actually like that stance. Actually,
Let's go.
I think interest rates should stay the same for at least the next 6 months. What, are you short, Mo?
Yep. Scalping is
Yeah.
short. Gah, scalping is short.
I wanted us to spike up a little bit more. 'Cause I wanted, yeah, you took my short. Nice trade, nice scalp. I wanted to scalp this too. With 5 minis, quick little 10, 20 point move.
Nice. Let's go. Jeez. All right. Lock
Oh,
out of this one. Lock out of this one. Thank you, Top Step, for the lockout. You are amazing. The lockout feature is the best thing ever created.
It really is. It really is. And like once you start locking yourself out for 2 months straight, you get used to like kind of managing your risk a little bit more. You get used to like, okay, one trade and done. That's all I need.
Okay. All right.
Bounce off the 4, but let's see what happens here. We also bounced. We're also close to a series of levels that I have here between the 80s and 71.
All right, let's go over the dashboard real quick. So we have higher time frame for long, order short. We have bullish pullback with trend. So until the order changes, you're gonna see a lot of back and forth. It'd be telling if price comes back to that 745 area. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if the bulls want to protect this area.
Cloud, do you mind explaining how you use your indicators to enter trades? Sorry, I just got back. I was making breakfast. All right. For me, that's a very loaded question. Actually, for me, it's like because I'm super bullish and have been for a while. I really do, I really look for a lot of bullish statements. So I look to see where we are on the chart, where we are on the current 4 hour. Like the longer I took pre market, Like you can see that we did dip below the cheap box, but never had a full 1 minute close below that cheap box on the auto setting. And shortly after that, I had to prove it against. I waited a little bit, waited a little bit. I waited to see if the 30-second money zone could get tested. It did get tested, and we didn't have a strong rejection out of it. That's kind of why pre-market I took my long pre-market. But for me, it's like I need to have at least 3 to 4 indicators agree with my sentiment, and I need to be at a level. You know, the longest I took were a couple points shy of a weekly level at 698, and you can see that we couldn't really close below 683, which is another level that I have. So I had my stop below that 683, and just push the button. We are ranging right now. But all the candles are still relatively bullish though. Okay, so YM is ranging right now, and ES is ranging. Nasdaq is the only thing that's still showing a little bullishness.
This is the same area where we were tapping against before the new 4 hour. See if it wants to break through it. Okay, good. The order's switched. So order is now none.
He's actively talking now. Actively.
Okay. myself out for 5 minutes. 18, 25.
Hey Mo, go see what I sent you. It's in the chat.
In which one? Oh,
Yeah, the YouTube chat. The one me and you can see.
this way. You gotta talk to the big guy.
I know, I will. I'll talk to
Probably gotta post more levels, bro. I'm just saying.
her. Yeah. Giving 100-point moves like Oprah. Come on, man. You get 100 points. You get 100 points. You get 100 points. Well, no, I mean honestly, today was a very easy day. I feel like tomorrow is going to be a little bit more difficult, especially with CPI coming out before market opens, and then Powell talking again at 10. I really feel like what he says today, because I'm listening to him now on Bloomberg TV. I'm interested to see kind of what he says, what the highlights of the conversation are today, and I'm gonna watch what CPI prints tomorrow and try to see if I can attack the market that way. I want to still stay long. That's kind of why I'm watching today on the sidelines. No more trades for me. Oh, ES just turned bullish again, by the way. People are forcing shorts now. Short 801, out for 14-point loss. Short again at 802.
Where are you seeing that? Like just
I'm in another Discord. I'm a moderator
okay.
in two of the Discords. So usually it's like once I leave here at like 10:30, 11 o'clock, I'm in another
Hmm.
Discord that I stream on too as well. I mean, I love the fact that we're staying above this 800 area. As long as we stay above 800, I like I like potential long, but we need like I want us to have a power move up to like 31s, to the 30s. Like the previous daily close, I mean, again, I'm flat. I'm not in any position, but that previous daily close would be a nice scalp here. And your stock would be at the 70s, or you put your stop at either VWAP or the 4-hour, depending on your sizing. This would be a 5 micro trade for me, honestly. And I'll probably risk like about $300 for this trade. Try to see if I can make 1,000.
I'm actually long at 800.
You sneaky bastard, you. I like the trade though. I like the trade.
Just waited for my setup, that's all. Whether it's gonna go or not, it didn't show us that it can go, it's another story. There you go.
Was that TP1 right there for you?
Yeah, I was already risk-free because I didn't trust it very much, but now I'm just in runners. Let's see if we can crush this expensive box. We have middle of expensive box and previous daily close at 45 area. That would be a nice liquidity level for them to try to reach. I don't know when though.
This is a day to say, buy the dip. There's no dip. It was a straight line. I see a straight line right on the 4 hour close. Am I wrong on that? No, straight line. Oops.
The Nasdaq is man. I should have said trade. Nasdaq is running.
There's a 45, like I said.
Yeah, that's the scalp I wanted. I mean, again, I'm flat, but that would have been a nice little scalp right there. Then this should be able to get up to the 900s from here. If we don't reject here, we should be able to get to 900s.
But man, it sure did take its sweet time to move.
It really is. But I mean, they're talking. Elizabeth Warren is talking right now.
In English?
Yeah, she's yeah, she is. She is
Okay.
grilling him right now. Man. Are are you blowing out candles over there, DC?
What's that?
Are you blowing out candles?
No, sleepy.
Oh yeah, like it is like what 2 a.m. over there.
It's almost 1, yes.
It was a nice day, man. It was a very nice day. I'm gonna call it quits for myself, personally. I'll see you guys tomorrow, you guys.
All right.
Peace.
Bye, Cloud. And then there were 2.
Let me go here.
Not that I'm gonna stay for much longer.
Let's see what we got going on here. I think should get a little pullback here. Right? A little breather. There we go. I knew you wanted. I'm short. I knew you want the breakdown. Nice little scalpy scalp.
Scalp away, my friend. Scalp away.
Alright, so what we got going on here? We had a nice run up since open. Let me just move this down a bit. Yeah, right now we are in the expensive box. Let's see what happens. Wow, the surge never flipped. Interesting. What do we look at here? What's the dashboard say? Pull back with trend. Okay. Yeah, I thought you were done for the day.
Yeah, I am. I mean, I am. I'm just seeing something on Nasdaq right here that I wanted to come back and possibly share. A break or close above this 850, we should get 900 very easily. Very easily. Let me zoom out a little bit more to make sure I'm seeing it correctly. But yeah, we should be able to get. Yep. Yep. Okay, so above the 850, I see a cleanish move to the 900s. The only area that I see we may have some hesitation in is the 80s. But then you should be trimmed out in runners by then. I mean, like, ultimately, I want us to see if we can get to 970. I don't know if we get to it today, but the 970 was actually my ultimate target. And I remember that Paul was talking. Yeah, I mean, I'm done, but I was just looking at some option plays, trying to measure the option plays. The option I wanted to take today was Apple, and I missed it, but it's all good. Like I did lose $3,000 trading Spotify, so I'm trying to make it up somehow, some way.
Spotify.
I mean, not Spotify, Shopify.
Oh,
Uh,
I was about to say, I was like, what does Spotify even do?
the music app.
Most things only he can sculpt.
What are you scalping, DC?
Well, what can I do up here?
Yeah.
What else can I do up here?
Alright, so I can X this out because I'm not trading that anymore. I'm good for now.
Don't want to get too excited just yet, but this is the move I'm looking for. This is the move I was talking about. I don't want to get too excited just yet, but if this can continue to close up here above the 50s on the 5 minute, I love it even more. We do have this is a new 15-minute candle as well too. We are approaching the 11 o'clock hour.
Yep, securing some profits on this scalpity sculpt.
Powell did say we're not in a recession. I wonder if that was the little move right there. He got excited. I mean, the market got excited.
But is it me or it's bloody slow today?
We do have CPI tomorrow. You know what I mean? So let's keep that in mind. That could be why it's kind of slow right now.
Securing some more profits because I think it's moving. The top of the expensive box will do some nasty stuff.
I want us to close within the 50s on this 5 minute candle.
Still have 1 minute for that.
Oh boy. Another snowstorm. Yuck.
Golly, what I tell you, it should be easy moves to the 900s. I don't want to jinx it just yet, so I'm gonna stop talking. But let's keep going, Nasdaq.
All right, so it's about 10:50. Let me just do a quick little recap of this trading session. So you can see right here at around 10 o'clock, the market structure indicator was able to print a new support area, which was right by my long on stall level, which was right here, that green line. And then we are approaching this resistance area right now, which is very close. I have 920 as a target, so we were approaching it, so we can see definitely some fighting going on around here. Let's see if we can break it. As far as the trigger chart, looking pretty good. You can see at around 10 o'clock here, you had the flip of the money zone. This right here, I'm going to circle it so you guys can see it. That right there, that was an excellent entry. Here you had the pullback, come down. This went from red to green, and if you got in, you put your
Yeah, that was
stops
my
around
trade.
here. You know, you could still possibly be in it running or taking some trims along the way, however you like to trade. So for this morning session, the longs had it. This is the opening here, and it just continued on very nicely to where we are now. Let's see what happens in the afternoons. DC, anything you would like to add, or?
No, now I'm flat. Done for the day. And we'll be back tomorrow, do the same thing all over again.
Excellent. And I know Cloud.
Tomorrow, another 100-pointer. Mark my words.
All right. So you heard it here, Cloud.
Okay, yes, but tell us the entry and the stop also if you.
I did tell you the entry when I got it.
No, for tomorrow, dude, for tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, I'll tell you tomorrow.
So I can put my orders in.
I'll definitely tell you tomorrow what the so like I'm gonna try to get better with my positioning so I can tell you guys before I get in what the levels I'm looking at. So yeah, so like people can actually put in a limit order there and put in a stop just in case, you know.
Got it. All right, well, you have it there. Let's tune in tomorrow. Cloud's gonna call the trade of the day. Let's see, another 100
A lot
pointer.
of earnings this afternoon, by the way, too. A lot of earnings. We have Super Micro, we have Upstart, we have Lyft, Fresh Start, we have AIG. Tomorrow morning is going to be quite interesting for healthcare. I'm not really worried about that. I'm worried about tomorrow afternoon in and Thursday. Tomorrow afternoon we have Reddit, Robinhood, Cisco. Again, we have Reddit and Cisco tomorrow. On Thursday we have Coinbase, Airbnb, Palo Alto, and Roku. Those are the big tech stocks. Since we primarily trade Nasdaq, I'm only going to talk about the tech stocks, for the earnings.
All right, so you heard it here. If you want more information on news that's coming out, you can go to our Discord. We have a news and events section that tells you all this information. Also, if you would like access to these indicators, go to the bio, click on the link, and you can go right to the website. If you put promo code mindset, you can get a deal off your first month of the indicator. Till then, I'm Mo. Thank you, DC. Thank you, Cloud. We'll see everybody tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Hey, Mo, stay around for a second. I got to ask you some questions.
Uh-oh, that's scary. Okay. All right, everybody. See you later.
Disco flow, trading all day, don't let go. Cash that wave and let it show. Success